In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document into a specific folder. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you have your Word document open on your computer. This can be a document you've already been working on, or a brand new one you've just created. Before you save it, take a moment to check that everything looks the way you want. Your text, formatting, and any images or tables you've added. Now, we're going to open the Save menu. Look towards the very top left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. When you click File, a new screen will appear. This is where you manage things like saving, opening, and printing documents. On the File screen, look for the option that says Save As. This is important because Save As lets you choose exactly where the file will go and what it will be called. Go ahead and click Save As. Next, Word will give you a few location options. You might see options like This PC, OneDrive, or maybe some recent folders. To save into a specific folder on your computer, choose the option that lets you browse your files, usually labeled Browse or This PC. Click that, and a File Explorer window will open. In this window, you'll see all the drives and folders on your computer. Navigate to the exact folder where you want to store your document. For example, you might go to Documents, then into a subfolder like School, Work, or anything you've already created. Take your time here to make sure you're in the right place, because this is where you'll come back later to find the file. Once you're inside the correct folder, look for the File Name field near the bottom of the window. Click inside that box and type a clear, descriptive name for your document so you can easily recognize it later. Avoid leaving the default name like Document 1, because that can get confusing when you have many files. Before you finish, glance at the Save As Type field just below. It should usually be set to Word document, which is the standard format. Unless you have a special reason to change it, you can leave that as it is. When everything looks good, the folder is correct, the file name is clear, and the type is set. Click the Save button in the bottom right corner. Your Word document is now saved in that specific folder, ready for you to open and edit anytime.